So about that.
How about?
Fishing about murder.
My brother. Me buy report for It's been built by hand. These guys are actually building these boats with their physical hands, you know, with no machines at all, with just some primitive tools, hammers and chisels and all that, and they are building this boat. Look at how they build it. Just check out these details, okay? These details of the boats. Just check this out and what they've actually done. They've been able to do. I think this actually blew my mind looking at the size of these boats, and these guys are actually building these whole boats with their own hand, their own two hands alone. And man, let's just go around the whole place and see. Okay.
The one you did it, the big brother, the one you wear the singlet.
Okay.